Yeah, the big thunderstorms that rumbled across Anne Arundel, across the bay, now moving into Delaware. Warnings are still up there for wind gusts to 70 miles an hour. 1-inch diameter hail possible with some of these storms, so they're still pretty nasty cutting across Caroline County. There are additional showers down around D.C. and a couple spotty showers just to the west of us, but the big storm, as you can see with the warning, now in Caroline County and over into the central part of Delaware. That warning goes until 5 p.m. for folks over in Delaware and should move out of Caroline County here in the next few minutes, but some really heavy rain there, dangerous lightning as Tony was mentioning, and the potential for some wind damage with some of these storms as they make their way off to the east of the Maryland line into Delaware. Now, off to the west of us, there are still additional showers. These are not expected to be severe as they make their way east of the mountains and into Baltimore. They'll be very scattered, just a passing shower in a spot or two. And other than that, we should actually see partial clearing as we head through the night. But this is the weather system that's going to come in tomorrow. It's already generating numerous showers and heavy thunderstorms out in the Midwest, and it will be tracking east. And as Tony mentioned, up and down the I-95 corridor, we've got that slight level 2 risk of a severe storm. Tomorrow, though, we add the potential for a tornado or two to break out. Now, if you look at the scale on this kind of puts everything in perspective. The green shaded is a 2% chance that a tornado would develop within 25 miles of any spot in this green shaded area. So it's not zero. There is a chance that some of the storms tomorrow would generate a tornado. But again, it's on the lower end, the lowest end that the Storm Prediction Center issues for. But even when we see a 2% chance, that means the risk is there. And we kind of give the alert. So we're going to go with an alert day tomorrow, just in case any of these storms produce a tornado tomorrow afternoon. Timing it out, you see the clearing skies going into 9:30 tonight and tomorrow morning. There may be some fog around, but generally a pretty quiet start to the day, warm and muggy overnight and tomorrow morning. About 1 o'clock in the afternoon, the storms start popping up again. And as we head into the late afternoon and early evening, 6 o'clock, computer models generating some severe storms along the I-95 corridor from Baltimore down to D.C. and then onto the eastern shore, even up until 9 o'clock tomorrow night before it clears out. Friday is the first official day of summer, and it's going to be a nice one. The humidity will actually come down a little bit. We'll enjoy lots of sunshine. So the summer season gets off to a pleasant start on Friday. 68 to 73 tonight as the showers move out. Some muggy conditions. Alert day tomorrow for possible severe storms in the afternoon and evening. A hot and humid day, 91 degrees, plenty of moisture in the atmosphere, and the potential for severe storms late afternoon and early evening. Summer rolls in with sunny skies on Friday, a little less humid, but then the heat is going to start to build. 92 Saturday, 97 impact weather for a heat index over 100 on Sunday, and that continues right into the middle of next week.